Hello viewers, welcome to Mythology. Look at the animal shown on your screen. Do you find any resemblance of this animal with some animals that you have seen? Or do you feel that you have seen this animal already? Let me tell you, there are less chances for you or me to have seen this animal in front of us. There are several reasons for it, which I will unravel slowly. This animal does have resemblance in its beak with that of a duck. That's why it might have appeared that you have seen it. But the bill of this animal is quite different from the bill of a duck. The duck's bill is quite hard, while the bill of this creature is flexible, soft, and with huge number of receptors to find food in water, both murky and muddy, and during the dark hours, that is from the dusk to the dawn time. On the bill, they have receptors to send out signals that can locate a prey amongst the bottom dwellers. If you look at the tail of this animal, it has the tail of a beaver. Short, stumpy, very furry tail, and this tail is highly specialized for swimming and steering in water, which acts like the rudder of a ship. Next is it has the webbed feet. The webbed feet, which is also present in a duck or very prevalent in the otters, do have a function in allowing it to push through water softly and very quickly. So here I named three different animals, but to none of those three groups of animals this creature belongs. It has its unique recognition, and this is indeed at the verge of getting threatened. So a lot is being done for the conservation of this creature. Now let me tell you the name and the group to which it belongs. This is a representative of the Monotremata under Mammalia. Monotremes are mammals who are egg-laying. And the word mono means one, treme is whole. Those who have a single hole on their body serving the purpose of excretion, reproduction, as well as for letting out the defecated matter. This specimen is called Ornithorhynchus anatinus, or a more common name as duck-billed platypus. We have only one species under the family of Ornithorhynchidae. But why has it become so important for us to know about it? Because this is quite an unusual and unique animal who are egg-laying amongst mammals. Most other mammals, or almost all other mammals other than a handful one, are viviparous type, that they give birth to young ones. But here this animal lay eggs. But then why do we consider this under the group of mammals? Let us see. Although being egg-laying, yet we consider it to be a mammal because its body is thoroughly covered by hair. There is a presence of a diaphragm dividing the body cavity into a thorax and abdominal one. The young ones suckle the mother, which is very prevalent in all the representatives of mammalian group. It also has a single aortic arch, which is another characteristic for the mammals. Now let me tell you, there is a specialty in the mammary gland present in these creatures called the Ornithorhynchus anatinus. They do possess mammary glands and they are developed in the females, but they do not have nipples. Nipples are lacking. So the milk which is produced in the follicular cells come and deposit in the pouch near the abdomen, and that is where it is kept for the newborn babies to suckle the milk and get them nourished. There are more unique features about the milk produced by this animal. They have huge antibacterial properties, so the milk can combat superbugs. This is also known to fight against antibiotic resistance, which too has made it very important for study. Then this animal, although it's considered under mammals, but it makes a connecting link between the mammal and the reptiles. But on what ground we consider that this is also a connecting link between the two? Let's see the reptilian characters in this animal. I have already told you that this is a egg-laying mammal, and the feature of egg-laying is prevalent in the reptiles as well as in the birds. And the eggs produced by the Ornithorhynchus is indeed yolky and covered by a shell. It also has a large coracoid bone which is present in the pectoral girdle, which is an outright feature of the reptiles. Few more quickie features about this animal. The male platypus are venomous. There is a venom gland present on the surface of the spurs in the hind legs. They don't have any stomach. Directly the mouth part connects to the esophagus. They are near threatened species. Prolonged drought, dried water bodies, and the land clearing along with the climate change has brought about this condition. So there is an urgent need for restoration of this species because it has so many unique features and it stands as a connecting link between the different groups. That's why if any of these organisms are located by any one of you, although it's not cosmopolitan, but yet who knows who can locate it, there is an urgent need to report it to the Department of Restoration and get it restored. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.